Hello guys, welcome to another section of Learning with Prepclass. I am Tutor Chima, and today we are going to be looking at past questions on Jamb chemistry for the year 2017. And in today's section we are going to be solving questions 31 to 35, because in the previous section we looked at questions 26 to 30. So today we will continue with section 31 to 35. Alright students, before we proceed, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our videos. When you look below there, you will see a notification bell. I urge you to click and activate the notification bell. When you do so, you will always be the first to be notified whenever we have an educational content like this on our channel. Always feel free to use our comment section box. You can use it to ask questions, maybe questions on this video or questions on the previous videos that I've done. So any question you have for me, just place it on our comment section box. You can be kind enough to share our videos so that it's going to reach as much viewers as possible. Now guys, having said that, we are going to go straight to the business of today, which is to solve questions 36. Questions 31 to 35 of Jamb Chemistry 2017. Question 31 says, when air, which contains the gases oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and water vapor, and the rare gases, when air, which contains the gases oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, water vapor, and the rare gases, is passed through alkaline pyrogalol and then over quicklime, the only gases left are, so if we take air, air contains not only these gases but also dust particles and the rest of them. So if we take an air that contains oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, water vapor, and the rare gases, and pass it through alkaline pyrogalol and also pass it over quicklime, the only gases left are, because these substances are going to absorb some of these gases, the alkaline pyrogalol and the quicklime will absorb some of these gases. So the only gases left would be, is it nitrogen and carbon dioxide? Is it the rare gases? Is it nitrogen and oxygen? Is it nitrogen and the rare gases? Now let us see. Alkaline pyrogalol will absorb oxygen gas. So this pyrogalol in alkaline solution, we usually use it for removing oxygen from air, or we can use it in determining the presence of oxygen in air. So alkaline pyrogalol will absorb oxygen gas. Now oxygen gas is off. Quicklime, that is CaO, calcium oxide. Quicklime is hygroscopic, is a hygroscopic substance, and will readily absorb moisture. The hygroscopic substance is a substance that when you expose them to air, they absorb moisture and they become thick. If they are solid, they become thick, like something like very thick liquid. So quicklime is CaO, that's calcium oxide, is hygroscopic in nature, so it's going to absorb moisture. Now alkaline pyrogalol will absorb oxygen, quicklime will absorb moisture, that's water vapor. 2 off. Now, not only that, quicklime will absorb this moisture to form CaOH, calcium hydroxide. And the calcium hydroxide, CaOH, will readily absorb carbon dioxide to form CaCO3. So, calcium hydroxide, CaOH, readily absorbs carbon dioxide to form what? CaCO3, that's calcium triisocarbonate 4. So, the alkaline pyrogalol will absorb oxygen gas. The quicklime will absorb water to form CaOH, which then absorb the carbon dioxide to form CaCO3. So the gases that will be left after carbon dioxide, water vapor, and oxygen has been removed will be nitrogen and the rare gases. So therefore the gases left out are nitrogen and the rare gases. Nitrogen and the rare gases. So option D is our best choice. 32. The number of atoms in 1 mole of a substance is equal to, the number of atoms in 1 mole of a substance is equal to, is it atomic number, is it Avogadro's number, is it gas constant, is it number of electrons? Of course, you should know that the number of atoms in 1 mole of any substance is equal to 6.02 times 10 raised to the power 23. That's the number of atoms present in any substance. It was calculated by Avogadro, so we named that Avogadro's number. Avogadro's number is 6.02 times 10 raised to the power 23, which is the number of atoms in any substance. So the number of atoms is equal to Avogadro's number. So the answer is the Avogadro's number, which is equal to what? 6.02 times 10 raised to the power 23 atoms. 33. Which of the following terms indicates the number of bonds that can be formed by an atom? Which of the following terms indicates the number of bonds that can be formed by an atom? Is it oxidation number? Is it valency? Is it atomic number? Is it electronegativity? Okay, now look at what I said here. I said that a covalent bond, because they're asking us what to indicate number of bonds. I know that covalent combination form bonds, and a covalent combination form what? Ions. Okay. A covalent bond is formed between two atoms by sharing electrons. A covalent bond is formed between two atoms by sharing what? Electrons. Now the number of bonds an element forms in a covalent compound is determined by the number of what? Electrons it needs to reach the octet electronic configuration. And this number of electrons is called, or is known as valency. So the best answer there is what? Valency. Because the valency of the substance that determines the number of bonds it may need to form. That now tells us the number of electrons it may need to share. So the best answer there is valence. 33 is what? B. Valence. 34. The structural formula of ethanoic acid is, structural formula for ethanoic acid is, A says HCOOH. I believe this is methanoic acid, HCOOH. B says CH3COH. This is ethanol. This is ethanol. C says CH2CH2COH. This is propanol. D says CH3CH2COOH. This is propanoic acid. And CH3COOH, ethanoic acid. The best answer there is E. CH3COOH is the structural formula for ethanoic acid. The normal formula is CH3COH. CH3COH. From ethanol, ethane, it will have 2 carbon atoms. So the carbon atoms should not be more than 2. So CH3COOH, and the best answer there is E. Wow, I thought I changed this, so I didn't remember to change this. The best answer there is E. E is the correct answer. Don't worry, I'm going to change it in our PDF. The best answer is E. E is the correct answer, not D. The best answer is E. CH3COOH is the correct answer. 35. Environmental pollution is worsened by the release from automobile exhaust of. Environmental pollution is worsened by the release from automobile exhaust of. Is it water vapor? Is it steam? Is it smoke? Is it heavy metals? Water vapor. You know that water vapor is not released from the exhaust of automobiles. Automobile means all these car, lorries, vehicles. Steam is not removed. Smoke, it is. I don't think automobiles or vehicles release heavy metals. I think it's smoke. Of course, you know it's smoke. Everybody knows it's smoke, and smoke. So the best answer there is smoke. It is smoke that is released from the exhaust of automobiles that will now cause what? Pollution. It's the smoke that causes pollution. Alright guys, we've come to the end of today's section of Learning with Prepclass, where we looked at past questions on Jamb Chemistry 2017. If you look below here, you see a link. I urge you to type this link in your browser. When you do so, it's going to take you straight to our what? WhatsApp group. When you join us on WhatsApp, you're getting updates, you're getting infos on the latest contents we have on our channels. So till I see you again, or till you see my videos again, I still remain Tutor Chima, a Prepclass tutor on chemistry. Bye and do stay safe.